FutureDrive Technologies, what if the next frontier of defense was deep under the sea? Anduril, a leader in advanced defense technology, has joined forces with dive technologies experts in unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs. These robotic submarines explore dangerous depths, gathering mission-critical intel where humans can't go, by combining dives, cutting-edge underwater drones, with Anduril's powerful AI and autonomous systems. This partnership is reshaping how we protect our nation. These high-tech solutions help monitor threats, support military operations, and keep America safe all from beneath the ocean's surface. Together, they're unlocking a new era of smart, underwater defense. Pressurized rover motion driving across the moon. No spacesuit, just you, a view of the stars. And your mobile lunar lab. Meet the Pressurized Lunar Rover, a futuristic moon vehicle designed by NASA and Japan's space agency, JAXA. This high-tech rover is more than just transportation. It's a mobile home and science lab rolled into one. Astronauts can explore the moon's surface for days without wearing bulky spacesuits, thanks to its sealed, livable interior. Equipped with robotic arms, cameras, sensors, and research tools, it's built for both crewed and remote missions. From collecting samples to running experiments, it brings Earth-like convenience to lunar exploration. Set to debut in NASA's Artemis missions, this rover marks a giant leap in how we live and work on the moon, and it's a glimpse into the future of space travel. Triton Deep Viewer dreamed of diving into the ocean without getting wet. Step inside a submarine that feels like a glass elevator to the deep. The Triton Deep View is not your average submarine. It's a luxury underwater experience built for adventure, comfort, and jaw-dropping views. With its crystal-clear windows, you'll feel like you're floating through another world, surrounded by colorful sea life and hidden ocean wonders. Designed with cutting-edge safety and smooth electric propulsion, it's quiet, safe, and perfect for explorers, researchers, and underwater tourists alike. Whether you're running a resort or just seeking an unforgettable dive, Triton's customizable design fits any mission. Inside, you'll enjoy a peaceful, immersive journey with room for friends, guests, or researchers. Dive deeper, see farther, and experience the ocean like never before with Triton Deep View. Beta Technologische. If your next flight took off like a drone, made zero emissions, and needed no fuel at all, Beta Technologies is building the future of clean air travel. Their electric aircraft, the Alia 250, takes off and lands like a helicopter but flies like a plane, with a range of up to 250 miles and zero tailpipe emissions. It's designed to carry passengers or cargo quietly and efficiently. But Beta isn't just making aircraft, they're creating an entire system. Along with the Alia 250, they're building a nationwide charging network to power electric aviation. By blending smart design with real-world sustainability, Beta Technologies is leading the charge toward cleaner skies and transforming how we think about regional and urban air travel. Trilobe Hybrid Airship. What if planes didn't need runways and could land on snow, sand, or even water? The Trilobe Hybrid Airship is changing the future of flight. Instead of relying just on engines, it uses helium for lift and a streamlined, three-lobe shape for extra stability and aerodynamic power, giving it up to 40% of its lift from airflow alone. This means better control in windy conditions, improved fuel efficiency, and the ability to travel over 1,000 miles with ease. But what truly sets it apart? Its air cushion landing system. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't need a runway. It can land gently on snow, sand, water, or rough ground, making it perfect for delivering supplies to hard-to-reach places or responding quickly to emergencies, whether it's carrying cargo or saving lives. The Trilobe Hybrid Airship isn't just innovative, it's a game-changer for global transport and logistics. Sony ASDT-1. Imagine a sensor so small it fits on your fingertip, yet powerful enough to see the world in 3D. But meet the Sony ASDT-1, the world's smallest and lightest large-depth sensor, weighing just 50 grams and measuring only 29 by 29 by 31 millimeters. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny device is packed with cutting-edge tech, using direct time-of-flight D2F and a SPAD array to deliver high-precision depth data in real time. It sees up to 40 meters indoors and 20 meters outdoors, making it ideal for drones, AR/VR gear, and mobile robots. With USB-C and UART ports. The ASD-T1 integrates easily into compact systems. Launching in spring 2026, it's built to transform how small devices sense and interact with the world. Whether you're mapping a room or flying a drone, this sensor is your new tiny powerhouse of spatial awareness. Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. Driving without ever needing to plug in this car powers itself with the sun. Meet the Aptera, a revolutionary solar electric vehicle built for the future. Its sleek, three-wheeled design isn't just for looks. It cuts through the air with minimal drag, using way less energy than regular electric cars. With solar panels built right into its body, the Aptera can drive up to 40 miles a day, just from sunlight, perfect for everyday trips without ever charging. Thanks to its ultralight body and advanced battery system, it can go up to 1,000 miles. On a single charge, that's more than most gas cars, with zero emissions. It's not just transportation, it's a new way to move through the world, smarter, cleaner, and completely safe. The Hitachi Landcruise One. What if your excavator could think ahead, run on any fuel, and fly with drones? Hitachi's new Landcruise One is doing just that. Unveiled at BOMA 2025, the Hitachi Landcruise One is redefining construction. This next-generation excavator features a sleek cabin that blends traditional controls with smart digital displays. Powered by AI, operators get a smoother, more intuitive experience, whether on board, remote, or fully automated. It runs on electric, diesel, or even hydrogen, giving you the freedom to work anywhere. Built-in drone support helps map your site from the sky, while smart systems track your fleet and predict maintenance before problems happen. Whether you're short on labor or working in risky zones, the Landcruise One adapts. It's more than a machine, it's a vision of what the future of construction looks like. Flying V. What if the next generation of planes didn't look like planes at all? Meet the Flying V, a radical new aircraft designed to change the way we fly. Created by Delft University of Technology with KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, this futuristic jet features a sleek V-shaped body that blends the cabin, cargo space, and fuel tanks right into the wings. Why? To make flying smoother, smarter, and far more efficient. This game-changing design cuts fuel use by up to 20% compared to today's planes, without sacrificing passenger comfort. Inside, it's just as innovative, with modern interiors and creative seating that make the journey feel like the future. The Flying V isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold leap toward greener, more sustainable aviation. Buckle up, the future of flight looks very different. Ask ChatGPT.